What if selling your ebook was easier than writing it? What if I told you that you could sell it, deliver it, and build a buyer list without ever touching a single button again? Yes, I'm talking about a fully automated ebook sales machine, powered by simple tools anyone can set up. No tech team, no coding, no manual work, no headaches, just real sales on autopilot. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Profit Hacks, your go-to channel for building smart, automated income streams. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a strategy that could change your digital game. Now let's break down how to build an ebook sales machine that runs itself, from checkout to delivery and even follow-up emails. Let's imagine this. You've got an ebook, maybe you wrote it, maybe you used automation to create it, like we showed in the last video. Now what? You need 1. A place to sell it. 2. A way to deliver it instantly. 3. A system that follows up and sells more, without you doing it manually. Here's how you can automate all of this. Step 1. Pick a selling platform, Gumroad or system.io. Let's start with the foundation. Where are you actually going to sell your ebook? You need something simple. No tech drama, no coding, no build your own checkout nonsense. That's why I recommend Gumroad or system.io. Gumroad is perfect if you want something lean and fast. You don't pay anything up front. You just upload your ebook, set the price, write a short pitch, and you're live. They handle payments, taxes, file delivery, the whole thing. You don't even need a website. Now, if you want more flexibility, like one-click upsells, email sequences, or the ability to sell more than one product, then system.io is a great choice. It's like having a full funnel builder, CRM, and checkout system in one. You still just upload your ebook as a PDF or Google Drive link, write a short sales page, and publish. The whole process takes about 15 minutes. And once it's set up, you don't need to touch it again. The key here is this: you're building a digital shelf. Once it's online, that product can be sold over and over without you doing anything manually. Step 2. Connect it to make.com. This is where the real magic starts. Once your ebook is live on Gumroad or system.io, you don't want to be sitting around checking sales and sending files manually. That's not scalable. So here's what you do. You connect your selling platform to make.com, the automation brain behind everything. Every time someone buys your ebook, make.com instantly detects the purchase and kicks off a full workflow. Think of it like this. New sale equals trigger. Make runs your automation scenario behind the scenes. It grabs the buyer's email, looks up which product they bought, and then starts handling all the steps that used to take you hours. It's like hiring a full-time assistant, except this one runs 24/7, doesn't sleep, and costs cents per month. And the best part? No coding, no complicated setup. Make.com has built-in integrations with Gumroad, Stripe, PayPal, and email tools. So everything talks to each other seamlessly. Once this connection is active, everything else happens automatically. Step 3. Automated delivery. Let's talk about the part that usually drains your time, sending the actual ebook. With automation, that's gone. As soon as a sale happens, make.com grabs the buyer's email, checks what product they purchased, and sends a personalized message with the download link, instantly. No digging through your inbox, no attaching files, no, oops, I forgot to send it moments. You can even customize the email. Something like, hey Sarah, thanks so much for your purchase. Here's your ebook. Let me know if you have any questions or feedback. It feels personal, but it's 100% automated. And here's the kicker. The delivery usually happens in under 10 seconds. That means happy customers. No waiting, no frustration. Just click, pay, receive. Boom. Done. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in how professional your digital business feels. Step 4. Add buyers to your email list. Here's where most beginners drop the ball. They deliver the ebook, and that's it. But smart creators, they don't just sell, they build an audience. With Make.com, you can connect your checkout system directly to tools like MailerLite, Bravo, or ConvertKit. So every time someone buys your ebook, their name and email go straight into a dedicated list, automatically. Why does this matter? Because this is where the real money starts flowing. Once that buyer's in your system, you can send follow-up emails, check in, build trust, get feedback. Offer upsells. Want the audiobook version? Or how about the full course? Promote your next ebook and launch it to a warm audience that already bought from you. Invite them to a free training, workshop, or digital event. In other words, you're turning one transaction into a long-term relationship and long-term revenue. You're not just selling products, you're building a list of buyers who trust you and buy again. Step 5. Upsell on autopilot. Want to increase your earnings by 30 to 50% overnight? Here's how. Add a one-click upsell to your funnel. Tools like System.io or ThriveCart let you do this without complicação nenhuma. Right after someone buys your ebook, they get a simple offer on the next screen. Upgrade for just $9. Get the companion workbook, a bonus checklist, and lifetime updates. It's frictionless. They don't need to re-enter their card. They just click once, and it's added to the cart. No sales pitch, no email campaign. Just a smart funnel doing the work for you. And here's the crazy part. A good upsell can make you more money than the main product. Let's say 1 in 3 buyers accepts your $9 upsell. That's $27 extra for every 3 sales, without lifting a finger. You're not just selling ebooks anymore. You're creating a digital product stack that multiplies your revenue automatically. Step 6. Build your system. Once, earn from it forever. This is the real magic of automation. You don't need a team. You don't need to launch big. You just need one good weekend to set up the system. And after that, it runs on its own. The sales come in, the emails get sent, the files get delivered, and you move on to building your next product. Want to visualize what's possible? Imagine setting up a 3 ebook funnel using Gumroad Plus, Make Plus, MailerLite. In the first month, you might make $148. By month 3, that could grow to $894 from the same system. Why? Because the automation keeps working, keeps delivering, keeps upselling. Even when you've moved on. This isn't just passive income. It's stackable income. Every ebook becomes a digital asset. And the funnel handles the rest. Set it up once. Earn from it again and again. So that's how you turn a single ebook into an automated income machine. No manual delivery, no customer service, no burnout. If you want the exact template and tools I used to build this funnel, check the pinned comment. I've dropped a guide with step-by-step instructions and plug-and-play prompts. And of course, if this gave you ideas, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What kind of ebook would you automate and sell first? Thanks for watching till the end. Now go build that system. And let's make some digital profit.